Welcome to our new oral solid dose GMP manufacturing area for development and commercial manufacturing at CordenPharma Plankstadt. Fully equipped with all essential manufacturing capabilities, it enables the production of GMP batches ranging from 20 to 60 kilograms and complements our existing small-scale clinical trial and large-scale production facilities. Our dispensing suite allows us to weigh out all of the appropriate materials required for manufacturing oral solid dosage forms. In addition, we can dispense highly potent APIs in the contained isolator from Weiss Pharmatechnik. In our blending sieving suite, the blender offers capabilities to accommodate multiple bin sizes. The sieving equipment is installed next to the blender to allow an easy sieving step after blending or between several blending steps. With our newly launched GMP hot melt extrusion services, we specialize in continuous manufacturing of amorphous extradate intermediates. These intermediates can be seamlessly blended and filled into capsules or compressed into tablets. This is our roller compaction suite. This roller compactor allows a seamless transfer to the roller compactor established in the larger scale commercial area. In our high shear granulation fluid bed granulation suite, the wet granulator can accommodate batch sizes of up to 60 kilograms. The fluid bed granulator has top, bottom, and tangential spray capabilities and can be used for drying, fluid bed granulation, and coating of pellets or mini tablets. Our tablet compression and coating suite has an 8-station tablet press with standard EUB and EUD tooling and an option to increase to 16 stations. The drum coater is flexible regarding batch sizes and comes with 3 different drum sizes and 6 nozzles, allowing for batch sizes of 7 to 75 kilograms. Drums with smaller perforations can also be added to coat mini tablets less than 3 millimeters. For encapsulation, we have a versatile piece of equipment capable of accommodating filling modules for direct APIs, powders, granules, pellets, and/or mini tablets. In addition, liquids, semi-solids, and oil or lipid-based formulations can be filled into capsules with a separate available filling module. The ability of running multiple projects in parallel, operating with organic solvents, controlled manufacturing conditions to maintain humidity levels, the flexible handling of highly potent compounds, and an array of small-scale non-GMP equipment tailored for enhancing the bioavailability round off our comprehensive services here. Whatever your requirements are, we are the CDMO partner you need for your drug product. Benefit from our expertise. Contact us to learn more.